for the foot drill demonstration. They practiced for a very long time, so now we're going to do the first aid demonstration. We have a couple of scenarios that would happen quite a bit at home, and we just want to clear some of the myths that people think it would work, but actually it doesn't. So we're trying to tell you what should be the correct way to do the first aid, and it's very simple first aid. So we're not going to go very extensive, so just a quick fix. Let's call it a quick fix, okay? So 多謝各位咁多嘅來賓，歡迎你哋來臨。咁希望你哋欣賞頭先嘅咁精彩嘅sorry， 我哋講全部 foot drill demonstration。以下落嚟咧，我哋將會表演呢個家居好簡單嘅家居急救。咁希望大家咧，我哋傳統嗰啲唔啱嘅方法咧，可以糾正一下，令到大家明白到究竟有啲好小事嘅，我哋可以點樣可以做一啲好簡單嘅急救。咁希望大家會 enjoy 啦。So that was very simple. It was a choking scenario. So they were playing games. It's a little joke. And so the Chinese traditional way is to have a bowl and a chopstick, and they would rub and they would say, "Guat lo." That means like bones down, bones down. It doesn't necessarily have to be bones. Whatever is in there goes down, but it needs bones down. So that's very incorrect. And so what happened is that we had a first aider came out. And she was doing the very simple, quick method. Like we're not going intensive, so this is like just choking, and then, so she did give her, like, she said, "Are you okay?" And then like check if everything's okay, and then she come back and do the back row, and that's it. And the thing came out. So we encourage, usually what happens is that we encourage the casualty to cough until the object comes out. And if not, start doing back row. But you notice that she was standing on the side and protecting her, so that in case she does fall, the casualty does fall, the person's not going to fall on her face. Okay? So 咁頭先大家都見到佢哋嗰個 scenario 咧係近親啦。咁我哋一般中國人嘅傳統咧就係近親就攞隻碗出嚟骨落。咁咧嗰個係唔正確嘅方法嘅 ，OK？ 咁其實好簡單，如果有人近親嘅話咧，就鼓勵雙隻去 cut， 咁 cut 到咧，如果 cut 到出嚟就最好啦。咁 cut 唔到出嚟嘅話咧。